Hey guys, Colourpop here, and today we are going to unbox the Birchbox for the month of February. I got this quite a while ago. It's actually kind of a cool box, to be totally honest. It's like a maze, but I'm sure it doesn't end anywhere because it's Birchbox and not an actual maze, but it'd be cool if they made it an actual maze. Anyways, I just want to keep this one short. You guys know that I am trying to get rid of Birchbox, but I am not able to because I bought the yearly subscription. So we are going to just dive right in. It says, Birchbox tip number 179, going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts. And I totally agree with that. Although last night I really didn't feel like taking off my makeup. We went out to a really nice dinner and yeah, I didn't feel like it, but I did because I was being good. Okay, so I'm gonna reach for the biggest thing in the box here. This is the R & Co Analog Cleansing Foam Conditioner. It says, oh, this is just like one of those Pantene ones, but it's from R & Co. I really do like this brand. And I mean, I'm not excited to use it, but I am glad to have more conditioners coming in because I have a shit ton of shampoos and not enough conditioners. So, because I've been buying those like scalp scrub shampoos and they work great, but then I don't have a conditioner to go with them, and my conditioners go faster than my shampoos anyways. Anybody else have that issue? I definitely do. Anyways, so the next thing in here, so the full size of that R & Co is $32. Obviously that is not full size. Then we have this LOC Liquid Shimmer Shadow, and I think I'm actually going to just declutter this one right away. This is in the shade Stardust, and I believe that I have this one already. I will look in my inventory log, and if I do, I will definitely declutter it, and if I don't even want to open it. It is a shimmer shadow. I have a million of them. I really don't need this, and yeah, I'm just going to declutter it. That is the color. It's like a light champagne-y color. Really, I mean, it is definitely my shade, but I don't need any more of these. This full size, I have no idea if this is actually full size. LOC brand stands for Love of Color. That's kind of cool. The full size is $10. Not sure if this is a full size or not, but those are the only sizes I have, so maybe. Then we have something from the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. It is nourished with coconut and argan oil. It is an illuminating milk. We definitely gotta open this one up. So look at this little packaging, like super cute. You guys know I actually do not drink regular dairy milk anymore. I haven't drank it for like 5 years now, probably, maybe even more than that. Oh, I could definitely use this. How stinking cute is this packaging? Let's see. Okay, so it comes in like a little dropper style, which I am not mad about, and it is definitely glowy. Oh, I just tossed it. That is it there. That is gorgeous. Don't mind the glitter on my hand from earlier, but that is beautiful. I can definitely work with that one. That one has like a pinky type of hue to it, so I'm cool with that. And this doesn't actually have a size on it, and I can't... Oh, okay, 0.17 ounces on the box, so I'm going to put it back in the box so that I have the size reference for it, because otherwise I won't have any kind of size reference because it's not on the bottle. So I'm going to keep it in the box. I'll get rid of this little plastic thing though. And the full size of that, once again, I have no idea how big the full sizes are, but it's in the shade Just Do It, just D-E-W it, and it is $19.50. So then I have something from Dr. Lip. I've gotten many of these before, but I don't think I've gotten this kind. This is the Dr. Lip tint, and this is with sweet potato pigment. And yeah, I mean, I haven't really used these all too often. I don't love them. One of my girlfriends at work really enjoys these, so I will use it and test it out. Oh, it's just like, it's tinted, but it's really not. So this is just like a lip balm. Definitely going to put this one in my collection. The full size of this is $7.99. I don't think this would be $7.99, but it could be. And then the last but not least product in here is from Marcel. It is the BB Cream in Golden Glow. It says it is a skin enhancer for all skin types. Can be worn alone or as a makeup base. So, oh, it looks like a like a BB cream, tinted moisturizer type of cream. It is very yellow. Very, very yellow there on my skin tones, so definitely have to save this one for summer. But yeah, it looks like it rubs out really, really nicely, and I could definitely work with this. This is what it looks like here. Excuse my nails, I need to repaint them, but yeah. So the full size of that Marcel is $29. I don't think I would pay $29 for that, but okay then. Anyways, that was everything I got. Super short, super sweet little Birchbox unboxing. I don't know that I am really enjoying doing these unboxings. It's like, I don't know, there's nothing exciting in these. So yeah, to be totally honest, these are just kind of a waste of time to do an unboxing in my opinion, but some of you guys still like watching these videos. So I don't know if I'm gonna post one next month or not, but I just felt like filming today because I did my makeup, and this is where we are. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.